Hello everyone and welcome back to our trading sessions. I'm really glad to see you here, and if you are new to this channel, then I directly advise you to subscribe to this channel, to put a big thumbs up to this video because it will be super interesting and super useful for you. And I have so much content on my channel where you can see how to trade different ways, with indicator or without indicator. So guys, check it out after watching this video, and yeah, let's get started, and I will tell you all the essential information about our today's trading just right now. Guys, today I'm going to show you how I trade with two indicators at once. Well, it helped me to make my enter points more proper. As a result, my trade's gonna be more successful. I want to start today with $30 on my deposit, and I'm going to use today Alligator and MACD indicators, and my trade goal for today is $6,000. So guys, please be sure to watch this video until the end, because perhaps you will like this strategy and you would like to imply it on your own trading. Also, you will see how to work with two indicators, and you will understand that two indicators are actually helping each other. So guys, let's find first entry point. We see that the downtrend we see a downtrend on the chart. The price is updated the previous minimum. We also see that the green sliding of the alligator crosses the other lines from bottom to top, which indicates a change in the trend to bullish. The same signal is seen on the MACD oscillator. Since the main line of the indicator crosses the red signal line from the bottom up, and the histogram appears above the zero level, therefore guys, I decided to open a deal to go up for 1 minute. After a minute, guys, I see that the price has made an upward impulse from the current position. That's why we made money on this deal, guys, and as you may have already understood, we have had a price reversal, and now we are more interested to open deals up. Well, the scenario of the previous transaction remains relevant even now. The only thing that has changed is that the moving averages of MACD indicator has gone above zero, and the alligator lines are moving in a greater distance from each other, and all this indicates the strength of the uptrend. Therefore, guys, it's time to open a deal with $55 to go up. The time is 1 minute. And we see that the chart has almost reached the resistance level, and now deal closed in a profit. Let's try to choose the next position, guys. The price tested the resistance level and went down. As you may have noticed, recently the price has been moving inside the channel, the boundaries of which are the support and resistance levels. Therefore, it is likely that the chart will go down to the lower border. The movement of the price below the previous minimum also speaks in favor of this forecast. On the indicators, we see quite clear signals to lower the price. The main MACD line crossed the signal line from top to bottom, and the green alligator line also crossed the average from top to bottom. And this is enough to open a deal to go down, guys, with $102. The time is 1 minute. After a while, we see that the price went even lower and we managed to earn. We look further, guys. After the correction, the price returned to the resistance level without breaking through it and rolled back a little. You can also notice the prices are compressed to this level. Therefore, I would consider deals for going up, waiting for the green sliding alligator to go above the other sliding ones, because the MACD lines are moving too slowly, but at least they're above zero. And guys, I will open a deal for 1 minute. And we see that the price breaks through the resistance level, which allows us to make a profit. Let's see what the market situation is next. We have a good uptrend. The price has updated the previous high and slightly rolled back to the level of the previous low. In such a situation, guys, I would like to find a good point to enter a deal for going up. As soon as I see that the main MACD line crosses the signal line from the bottom up, the green alligator line similarly crosses the other sliding ones, I will open a deal, guys, with $348. The time is 1 minute. After a minute, I make sure that the entry point was chosen correctly and we made a profit, guys. We see that the price is trading near the level of the previous maximum and even a little higher. Since the market as a whole is growing quite steadily, I want to open a deal to go up. Indicators also indicate continued growth. The sliding alligators move at a greater distance from each other, while the green one is sliding from above, and the MACD line is above the zero level and the main one is located above the signal one. The amount of my deal is $644. After a while, guys, I see that the situation was dangerous at the moment, but still we managed to close the deal with profit. We see that the price doesn't move very predictably further. There is too much chaotic sliding movement on the alligator. MACD also shows an indefinite picture. Since the price movement has been significantly downward lately, we are also near the support level. So maybe we will test it or at least trade near it. Therefore, when a long red candle appears and there are more obvious signals on the indicators, I will go down for 1 minute with $1,191. And we see that the price continued to move and we earned. Further, the scenario of the previous deal remains relevant as the price continues to go down beyond the support level. The moving averages of the indicator are moving away from each other and the main MACD line goes even lower than the signal line. So I go down with $2,228. The time is 1 minute. A minute later, I see that the price dropped sharply and was also aggressively bought back. Therefore, my position was almost knocked out, but we earned, guys. After this, the price continues to rise, returning to the support level. If we assume that the price will rise to the resistance level, then we can go up. On the indicators, I see that the green alligator line has crossed others from bottom to top. Also on MACD, signal line crossed the green line. Therefore, guys, I will go up for 1 minute with $1,166. And we see that the forecast was right and we made the money on this, guys. As you may have noticed, I have $5,180 on my balance, on my deposit. So this is the end of our trading. That's it for today, guys. As you see, all the market situations worked out perfectly today. Also, it's really good to use 3 indicators at once. As you can see, we got a really good result today. Also, guys, it's totally normal to use 2 or 3 instruments at once because it definitely helps you to find a better entry point and to get a profit. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Subscribe to this channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Put a big thumbs up to this video if it was very useful for you. And also, guys, I have a close group where I'm sharing trading signals for free. These are my trading signals. If you want to join this closed community, I advise you to text me a code word signal on my Telegram. The link will be down below. So guys, I will see you in the next video and I wish you to have a successful trading. Bye bye.